Hello, it's Kira King reading from Divine Soul Whispers. Hand in hand with Janet, surrendering our fleshly nature to paths unknown. Hand in hand we travel, staying true to the unfolding paths, leaning on invisible prompts, hits of intuition we embraced, leaning boldly into the divine plan until surrender was all we could do. And then light showed up, shining through to the inner gates of our heart's chamber. Hand in hand, we anchored the love in truth and in surrender, in faith and in surrender. Hand in hand, we will journey to eternity. This is Kara. Talk to you soon.